you require a great value combined compact fridge freezer, refrigeration specialists LEC have designed the T5039 to provide all the storage a smaller family should need, whilst delivering an A+ energy rating. And if space is at a premium, this is a great solution, increasing your storage without taking up too much room. This fridge freezer is a really spacious storage solution for chilled and frozen foods, offering 90 litres of usable capacity in the upper fridge. This area is divided by two separate adjustable wipe clean shelves to help you adapt the internal space to your needs. At the base of this section, there's a further fixed shelf above the full-width salad crisper, which is great for keeping your fruit and veg fresher for longer. In the door, there are two storage compartments for your essentials. The lower shelf is perfect for milk and large bottles, and the upper shelf is perfect for condiments, eggs, cheese and butter. This appliance has an automatic defrost function in this section, so it's entirely maintenance-free. The lower half of the T5039 offers 45 litres of 4-star rated freezer storage. This has been divided by 3 transparent drawers in a variety of sizes and should be roomy enough for all the ready meals, pizzas or home-cooked dinners that couples and small families will need. Backed by a 3 years parts and labour guarantee to give you added peace of mind, this is a great family appliance from a trusted brand. So let's remind you of those key features again.